Hi there. So in this quick video, I want to show you how I've been using my Copywriter in Your Pocket tool to take things beyond just getting it to write copy for me. I'm looking into how it can do other kind of workflows. And the one I'm going to share with you today is how I've created a workflow so that it quickly writes keyword optimized descriptions, titles, tags, all that stuff for YouTube videos. So I'm just going to flip my screen and just show you how I do that. Okay, so we're here inside my Copywriter in Your Pocket Claude, and you can see here this is the prompt. It's just run workflow YouTube. Then I pasted the transcription of the video that I am uploading, and I've pasted in the keyword that I want to try and optimize for. So I've been doing this. I'm not a YouTube expert, but I have been doing this recently, and my views have gone from 20 to 50 to some of them are up to like 700 now. So doing the like keyword optimization stuff that I'm showing here works. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but this has been my experience. And so I wanted an easy way to make sure that I'm incorporating the keywords into the description and all the bits and pieces. And so I've created this workflow. It doesn't require any automations, any fancy automations. This is literally just inside my Claude projects. So as you can see, my prompt is run workflow. I've pasted the transcription, that's it here. And here's my keyword. And so then what it does is it runs through the workflow that I've given it, which is where I've told it to take from the transcription, create relevant time codes, because the time codes help with people being able to skip through your video. Then it's given me a title based on that keyword. It's given me a description. So this description is a really good description of what the video is about. And it's following this format that I've told it to, which is basically, just a couple of paragraphs and then some bullet points with the main point, with the main points. I've given it the specific hashtags that I want it to use, and then I've got some snippets that I've also already included in there. So when I looked at this, I was like, okay, this is okay, but I'd like more of this keyword, versions of that keyword in my time codes. So I've just asked it to do that. And then can you paste CTA snippet 1 for me at the bottom? Okay, and so now it's put all together for me. So now I just need to copy and paste this into the relevant parts inside my YouTube video, and yeah, it's good to go. So hopefully that was inspiring and interesting. If you already have Copywriter in your pocket, then I'll be showing how you can add this into your system. And if you want to join Copywriter in your pocket, there will be a link somewhere around this video. All right, thanks for watching.